Good evening, Bronco families.
Bienvenidos a la noche de los planes de estudios.
My name is Marva Smith-Carty. This is my fifth year at Bailey and my 13th year in education. I am Jamaican, am married, and I have a 2-year-old son. My Spanish classes are the perfect blend of Spanish discovery, cultural appreciation, and laughter.
Hola Broncos, this is Maria Ingrid Rebellon. I am from Colombia and this is my first year here at Bailey. I have been teaching Spanish in the United States for over 20 years. I have a bachelor's degree in world history and the Russian language and a master's degree in secondary education and the Spanish language. I love and enjoy teaching about my culture and sharing with students my knowledge and experiences.
Now, exploratory and middle school Spanish are non-credit courses taught to the 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. The emphasis at this level is on building an understanding of the target language, developing students' ability to use the language functionally. Both exploratory and middle school Spanish last 1 semester.
Exploratory and middle school Spanish curriculum, the first quarter of the semester, students are engaged in learning polite expressions, numbers, days of the week, months of the year, personal and physical characteristics descriptions, colors, classroom supplies, and description of family and relationships.
In the second quarter, we build on what they would have learned in quarter one, and we expand that by talking about their pets, describing their family members, the home, places in the neighborhood. We look at time, on the hour, past the hour, and to the hour. We talk about the weather and clothing that's appropriate for the weather.
If you have any questions, please contact us at the following email addresses.
Thank you and have a good night.
Adios.